over 20 years of investing experience, from my finance degree through to working in asset management, as well as investing in my own investment portfolio over the last 20 years. And there are some things that I've learned along the way and mistakes that I've made that I wish someone had told me about at the beginning. I wish someone had told me not to panic sell when the market crashes. So I've been investing through the global financial crisis in 2008 and the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020. And I made a few mistakes that I wish someone had warned me about, because I would be in such a much better financial position now if I hadn't made these mistakes. The first mistake that I made is during the financial crisis. I saw that the markets were crashing and I panicked and I sold out my funds. I ended up making a loss of about 30%, which is a huge amount of money. Whereas if I had just left the money in there, I would have actually just ended up increasing the amount of money when the markets recovered over time after the crisis. But I didn't know at the time, and I was just worried that I was going to lose all my money. So this is a very common mistake that beginner investors make. The second time I made this mistake was not taking money out, but when the COVID-19 pandemic happened, I actually stopped putting money into my investment account because I was worried that I was just going to keep putting money in and the value of my money that I was putting in would just go down and down. So I stopped investing completely for about 6 months. This, in hindsight, was a really stupid thing to do, because if I had just kept investing, I would have been putting my money into index funds that ultimately went up in value so much more over time. So I ended up actually losing quite a bit of money by not investing throughout the COVID-19 pandemic. So yeah, there are 2 first-hand lessons I've learned that I wish someone had told me about. You're welcome.